Martina Nyamsnika and
Ira Rianisha
we'll review the Laskar Pelangi film based on different views between me and my colleagues. Stay tuned! Hi Ray, sorry, I've been waiting a long time, right?
It's okay, I'm waiting this one later for you. Here.
Okay. Oh, really? What's the film, Ray?
I watched my favorite film, the name is Laskar Pelangi, do you know?
Sure, I know. That's also one of my favorite films.
This film tells a future struggle in achieving dreams, school affected by mines and companies, oppression and poverty are inscaling, causing Bangka Belitung children to drop out of school, preferring to work to help support the family's economic burden. A teacher struggle in educating minimal students with strong determination and science security woke up again to stand and provide education to those who want to go to school with disabilities.
Yes, of course. This is one of the best Indonesian film I have ever watched. In the midst of various news and television entertainment about school, which is not enough to provide inspiration and spirit, this film is an interesting choice. This film is written in the realistic spirit of school life and untouchable world, a shared passion for survival in touching humanism. What do you think?
I agree. I was really inspired by the story of friendship and the fighting spirit of children. In the film, a teacher struggles in educating minimal students with strong determination and sincerity. Woke up again to stand and provide education to those who want to go to school with limitation.
That's right. That's all how important education, if even in this difficult condition.
What is your favorite scene in the film, Ray?
It's hard to choose because there are good, but one of the favorite scenes from the film Laskar Pelangi is when they are success in achieving their dreams, even though they are faced with many obstacles. The students at the Balitong Muhammadiyah School celebrate their success by playing this song, Aku Anak Indonesia. This scene is full of enthusiasm, friendship, and inspiring fighting spirit. How about you?
Yes, that scene was really moving. The film Laskar Pelangi does provide many valuable life lessons. Meanwhile, one of the favorite scenes from the film Laskar Pelangi is when the students at the school celebrate their success by playing the song Aku Anak Indonesia. This scene is full of information, friendship, and inspiring fighting spirit.
I agree. It is one of those films that I will always remember and recommend it to others. Is there a favorite actor or actress in the story?
It's hard to choose because they all action so well, but if I had to choose, maybe I will choose Cut Mini Theo in her role as Mr. Muslimah. Her character is so strong. What about you?
If I admire Matthias Muchus, who played one of the brightest Laskar Pelangi students as Harun, so had a dedication to education and his enthusiasm to have positive impact on the surrounding community.
It's true that the small actor is very soulful and gets into his character as Harun. Yeah?
Lukman Sardi also gave an extraordinary performance as Ikal. The chemistry between the pair also feels strong, and it makes the story more impressive.
That's right, it's a managed emotion, a struggle of his character so well, and the songs in the film are truly heart-touching.
Yes, they really took the heroine well to support the atmosphere of the film.
However, I feel there were some parts of the plot that fell rushed.
I feel that too. Someone's storylines could perhaps be exploited in more detail.
Then what do you think about the description of Bluetooth in this film?
I think it's amazing. They really captured the beauty of the island very well.
I think this film also has a way of getting me caught up in their journey every time it watch it.
I felt it too.
Hello everyone, here I am Oliza Nuraster and
Naila Risa.
we will review the Laskar Pelangi film based on assessment of the film's point of view from all of us. What is your view on the Laskar Pelangi film?
Based on the point of the view in the initial scene, recording Belitung Island, which is the richest island in Indonesia, which produces scene which has the potential to tempt another country to take over the tin production. Even after Indonesia independent, the people of the Belitung Island have not been able to enjoy their own natural treasure because of the walls of the democracy, but that they stop the enthusiasm of the four children or to force the education local residents still think that education is useless because in the end everyone will be equal in the work and end up being a colleague and their respect case.
Yes, I agree with that because as far as I remember, this film show how difficult it is for them to be able to have equal education with all audience.
Yeah, as I remember, this film also highlight the struggle of the teachers who struggle to establish education or school for children who were economy disabled at the time. Do you remember how complicated that skin was?
Yes, I remember there was a scene where two teachers were trying to start education with the minimum requirements for students so that learning in school could be opened for poor students. Wise teacher as a student based on their character and from the heart how they wanted and learning caring. How do teacher maintain that this makeshift school can remain standing and carry out learning activity? Compare how teacher is good school only for rich children and poor school teach, such as how they are given facility and use the available faculties together. But the struggle of the teacher and student is very touching because they complement each other.
Yes, I'm very moved by how they struggle with a student, struggle to be able to go to school with the prohibition of his younger brother being left alone, his father going to see long distance of predictable weather and the presence of the wild animal in the field learning classroom with the floor communication building that are almost collapsing activity to carrying out outside the classroom and to go to school in the makeshift class.
What lesson do you think you can take from this Laskar Pelangi film?
In my opinion, the lesson that can be taken from this film is how a person motivation to grow is always different and does always have to be in line inside my side to always together. Maybe know your motivation is present and how can your soul to be more willing while motivation in yourself is not yet apparent, but it's all just a matter of the time from our respect perspective to be able to find motivation in this way of life. What is your perspective regarding the lesson you can take from this film?
In my opinion, in this film, whether from the teacher or a student perspective, they always give and understand that freedom and obligation must always go hand in hand. They understand their right and responsibility when they are given freedom, which might be a normal thing for other, but for them, this is something they have just experienced, but they understand the responsibility they achieve for the freedom they have just gained and felt. I think this film is very good, especially for people who feel a lack of motivation, especially in education. By the way, do you have a favorite character in the film?
Yes, of course. My favorite character is called Lintang. He has a teeth-type doctor and like to read. He always read in the newspaper, and from the newspaper he can find out everything without having to go to class and know the history of that place. And he also has taught nature because he is a good student. He lives quite far from school, but he always is the Antua to go school even down it rains and past where the crocodile's life is really cool how he always looks after his little brother when his father goes to sea for work. And who is your favorite character in this film?
My favorite character in this film, he's called is Mahar. He's always bushy with her radio, which he always take everywhere to listen to music. But it turns out that from the radio, he understand a lot about what kind of music, what kind of title it is, and it turns out she is also good at singing. And he has a melody and melody voice. Playu was so calm, her broke, and he was always an entertainer and a cheerful child when he was with his friend.
Oh, even though this film is old, it is always memorable and touching with the witch again. Okay, that's all. Thank you.